Will we become real people having
Good morning. This is a really nice spot. There's lots of animals here too. But the sun's just coming up, it's 6:30, and I'm going to slowly work my way to Page, Arizona. But boy, am I looking forward to having a shower. I feel like sticky and dusty. You know, when it was colder, it's easier to go without a shower because you don't really sweat. You kind of just feel the same every day, but when you've been hiking, you get dusty and sweaty, and then you put sun cream on and you get sticky, and not the best combo. But let's get on the road. It's so cool. On the trail it said watch out for rattlesnakes, tarantulas, tarantula wasps, and other poison creatures like that. Okay, I need to use both my hands now to get back up there. It's always here in like the middle of the desert where fuel is the cheapest. I don't know why. Yeah, so now we head north to Page. I think there's a few stops on the way, but it's really cool out here. And I've got breakfast as well. This freaking huge cup of soda was 75 cents. Okay, let's go. Christ, it's like bloody Piccadilly Circus here again. So this is Horseshoe Canyon. Wow, this is such a nice bathroom. That wasn't sarcastic, this is actually one of the nicer ones. Okay, gotta go. I always give myself false hopes, like, oh, it's a weekday, I'm sure there'll be no one here. Well, again, I'm wrong. Just having a sandwich. Anyway, there's so much stuff to explore around here. So cool. So let's go to another canyon. So I'm at Antelope Canyon. You have to pay to go in there, like you have to go on a tour group, you can't just roam the canyon freely. It's annoying, but I want to do it. I hate paying for things, but out of all the things that you can pay for, I'd rather pay for this than go to like the cinema or go out for dinner. It's $25 US, which is quite a lot, but it's an hour tour and it should be good. So I'll see you out there.
I guess
this is where the Colorado River's dammed before it enters the Grand Canyon now. But man, this is what I love. All to myself, no one else here. That canyon tour that I just went on was so good. Like $30, yeah, it's a lot of money. But it was really cool. There's no other way to go and see it, so there was dinosaur tracks on some parts of it, and man, it was awesome. I took about 1,000 million photos. I'm still waiting for you to name a more iconic duo. I'm still waiting. Man, I can't remember if the place I booked has a swimming pool or not. I can't even remember its name actually. So I think I'll have to stop at McDonald's Wi-Fi to just check where I actually booked. But wow, I'm getting straight in that pool. It's so incredibly hot. As you can see, the clean van didn't last very long. Today's been so annoying as well, like everything that I've had out has been rattling, and I can just hear squeaking and rattling in the back. It bugs me so much. The guitar, yeah, I took it down. When I went to go drive off, I couldn't see out my back window, so guitar's back on the floor with everything else. So that was a exciting night for the guitar. Never again though. Shh, I found some wildlife. Come back, come back, come back, come back. I think I'm gonna cry. I want nothing more than a swimming pool. It smells a bit funky, but it's quite big. City view. I'm gutted about the pool. Man, that's like really annoying. I just wanted to jump straight into the cold pool. I went to the thrift store and I bought a hat. What do you think? I wanted one with like the mesh back so it didn't get too hot. All of them were stupid and this was the least stupid one, so do I look cool? Hope so. It cost $1. Everything was half price. The sun is just setting. If it's a clear night, I might go back to that horseshoe canyon and take some star photos. So I didn't go out to take pictures of the stars. I kind of knew I wouldn't, even when I said it, but I'm going to bed now. I have a really bad headache. I think I got some sunstroke today, probably. I spent a lot of time outside, and lucky, from now on, I have this hat, so sunstroke will be a thing of the past. But yeah. I'm tired. And I don't know what to do tomorrow. I don't know. I'll figure something out. Okay,